Meet the Haval Jolion, a statement of style and power. The moment your eyes catch its bold chrome grille, framed by sharp LED headlights, you feel its commanding presence. The sculpted lines flow like liquid steel across its aerodynamic body, while the floating roofline and sporty alloy wheels give it a confident, modern stance. The deep metallic paint finish reflects the world around it like a moving piece of art, and the sleek rear with its signature LED taillights leaves an unforgettable silhouette as it glides away. Step inside, and the experience transforms. The cabin feels like stepping into a high-end lounge. Soft-touch materials, diamond-stitched leather seats, and an elegantly designed floating dashboard. The panoramic screen stretches before you, seamlessly blending infotainment and control with a futuristic feel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, ambient lighting, and crystal-clear digital cluster make every journey feel like you're piloting something extraordinary. Every detail of the Jolion's interior speaks of comfort and refinement. The spacious cabin gives you room to breathe, while the intuitive controls and voice command system keep you in charge without ever breaking focus. Then, there's the drive. The turbocharged engine responds like it's reading your intentions, and the smooth yet precise handling connects you to the road with confidence. The Jolion isn't just about movement. It's about the feeling of arrival, about making every moment on the road feel special. The Haval Jolion redefines what it means to drive with style, blending modern luxury, performance, and a bold presence that refuses to be ignored.